हेलो माय क्यूट लेडीज एंड स्वीट जेंटलमैन। सो मैं आशा कर रही हूँ कि आप लोग ठीक हो और आपके रिएक्टर तो बिल्कुल ठीक है। सो लेट्स गेट इनटू द वीडियो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम। So today I'm gonna react on a series trailer. Yesterday the series. I do know Fort and Pete from their before series Love Sea and Love in the Air. So let's see what they're gonna do in this one. Okay. Oh, why this is kind of giving ghost vibes to me. Is it a horror romance? Oh. Who is chained here? Who is Pete character is a red flag in this series because I am shocked. Did he chain Fort? This is so scary. Pete is so scary. I am scared for my life. I am still, in shock with the fact like Pete chained Fort. Are they gonna switch or being a versatile couple now? Oh. The crazy look he have in his eyes. Fort baby run. Oh, he's looking handsome. Fort need to run. The bathtub, the way his hands are going this way. I am loving it. No matter how red flag he is, if he is a charmer, if he is having the chemistry, and they do have the chemistry, so I can forgive you, Peach. Oh. What kind of thing is happening here? Oh. This is kind of, I think family corruption drama. But I'm so shocked with Pete being a red flag and chaining Fort. Why you're choking him? Pete, what happened to you? I was shocked when I watched Pete into, Love Sea because he was kind of yellow flag in that buying Fort and stuff. But this is on another level. It's literally going physical violence and something. I am shocked. Can you see, let me rewind it from choking. The way Pete has this look in his eyes, he's looking total psychopath. What happened to the baby? This is the look I'm shocked with. Okay. How can you go back to how you used to be? I think they used to be lover or something. You chained somebody, Pete, and you cannot go back to that baby. Did you see Pete literally with his own hand smashed the bottle from Fort hand? Why you are crying? He's such a manipulator and red flag, begging, torturing him, caging him, chaining him. Whoa. I need to digest this character. Okay. Love in the Air, I loved it. Pete was white flag, he was good and stuff. Fort was green flag. Love Sea was a yellow flag, but Fort was again green flag. In this, what kind of flag they both are? Because I cannot say about Fort, but this Pete is a red flag, baby. And I think what I love about them, their chemistry and the smart scene. I literally love, how their scenes, NC scenes were into Love Sea. They were so good. I think this is gonna be on another level. I don't know if you're gonna be together till the day you die because you cannot be together this way. I'm so shocked about you, Pete. And Fort, my baby, how you land yourself into this situation? Do you want it? Do you crave for it? Do you need it? It's kind of you want to taste it, you want to have it. What is happening? What kind of, and who is top and bottom? Are they switching or something? my brain chemistry cannot digest whatever is happening here. I was literally so shocked, so shocked. But I literally loved, red flag characters if they have chemistry, because I literally write dark romance. So I think I cannot say anything about that, but they do have the chemistry. All series they are in, they always have the, chemistry and everything. So my baby, you cannot save yourself, but I am scared for you. I don't know what kind of situation or relationship they're gonna have in this Yesterday, the series. And I am still so shocked. But I am gonna waiting for this. I'm gonna watch it, binge watch the series, and I think I'm gonna be rooting for this. I'm gonna rooting for Red Flag, Pete. So if you love my reaction, please like the video, subscribe to the channel so I can know you're liking the content, share to your fellow reactor lovers, and comment if you want me to react on anything so we can all do fun together. Bye bye, baby. I love you all. Bye.